Have fun with it. Don't think of it as a big, scary task, but think of it as an adventure, a journey that you're on. And like I said, find a lesson in every video. Have fun in every video. If you want to go buy something like a vlog camera, if you're a techie like me, not that I'm even good at it, like, don't ask me how to work this camera, but I did find that by buying little things like pieces of equipment, it got me excited. Kind of like when you go and buy new workout equipment, it gets you excited to go to the gym. Same applies for video. Maybe you get a new phone, or you get, there's plenty of phone stands, tripods on Amazon that aren't that expensive, but it's something new to try that makes it a little bit more exciting. Find an element that's going to get you excited. Maybe you've never recorded outside before, or you've never recorded walking and talking. Let all of those just be lessons that keep you on the path so that you're taking action. And then go back and look at those cringy videos, because if you think they're cringy, that means your current videos are better and you are improving with every video. Once we start to see those little increments of improvement, it encourages us and it incentivizes us to keep going.